Hello, my name is Christian Pedersen and I'm the Managing Director of Tietoevry Create. I'm here today to talk about why I'm truly excited about the fact that MentorMate and Tietoevry Create are joining forces. Both MentorMate and Tietoevry Create have an ambition of becoming a leading global design, data and engineering business. Together we will considerably strengthen our position in two important markets. First and foremost, the markets for our services, meaning the North American market. And then we will considerably strengthen our joint position in the European talent market with adding Bulgaria, which is one of the most important talent markets in Europe. In addition to strengthening our joint position in the European talent market, we will also gain access to the important talent markets in South America. Getting access to the talent market in Paraguay is important as we build out the business in North America. MentorMate and Tietoevry Create joining forces will be value creating to all stakeholders. Starting with the customers will get access to wider pools of talent. As we're now joining forces and unlocking all engagements to all our talents, this will create more choices and more opportunities for personal growth and development for all of our employees. Thank you for watching and listening in. Please stay tuned. As the two companies now are starting to work together, we are really looking forward to share the first concrete examples with you on value creation happening either with customers and/or with our employees.